Imagine your smartphone as a powerful tool to generate income while you sleep. From creating digital art to managing stock investments, your phone can turn spare moments into revenue. Many people carry their smartphones everywhere, yet few realize its potential as a cash machine. With the right strategies and minimal effort, you can start generating a passive income. Take Sarah, for example, who started designing digital stickers as a hobby. Using just her smartphone, she created and sold her designs on platforms like Etsy and made a substantial side income. Her story is just one of many where ordinary individuals use their phones to create extraordinary income streams. In this guide, we will explore several such methods. Creating digital products is a straightforward way to earn passive income through your smartphone. Digital products can range from ebooks and courses to graphic designs and music. Apps like Canva and GarageBand enable you to create high-quality digital content directly from your phone. For instance, if you have a knack for graphic design, you can create templates or artwork and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. Similarly, if you're musically inclined, you can compose pieces and sell them on sites like Audio Jungle. The beauty of digital products lies in their ability to be sold globally. You're not restricted to your local market. Your audience can be worldwide. This global reach increases your potential income exponentially. Once your product is online, it requires little to no maintenance. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative way to utilize your smartphone for passive income. By promoting products or services through your social media or blog, you can earn commissions on any sales made through your referral links. This method is excellent for those who enjoy recommending products and have a decent following online. You can start by joining affiliate programs of companies that align with your interests or the content you produce. Companies like Amazon, eBay, and many others offer affiliate programs that are free to join. Once you're a member, you can select products to promote, share your personalized link, and start earning a commission for each sale made through your link. The key to successful affiliate marketing is trust and genuine recommendations. People are more likely to purchase something recommended by someone they trust. Tools and apps are available that allow you to schedule posts, track your earnings, and analyze the performance of your links. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies has never been easier, thanks to a plethora of apps that allow you to manage your investments directly from your smartphone. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Coinbase have democratized investing, making it accessible to everyone. These apps often come with educational resources to help you understand the markets and make informed decisions. By starting small and learning as you go, you can gradually build a portfolio that generates passive income through dividends or capital gains. Many of these apps allow for automatic investing, which can help you consistently invest without having to make daily decisions. This set it and forget it approach is perfect for passive income. Features like Roundup Investments simplify the investment process. Even the smallest amounts can gradually grow into significant sums. Blogging has long been a popular way to earn passive income, and with today's technology, you can manage a blog entirely from your smartphone. Platforms like WordPress and Blogger have mobile apps that allow you to write posts, edit content, and manage your site without ever needing a computer. The key to a successful blog is consistent quality content that engages your audience. With your smartphone, you can easily capture photos, create videos, and write content wherever you are. This mobility allows you to capture inspiration as it strikes, maintaining a fresh and dynamic blog that attracts readers. Monetizing a blog can be achieved through various methods, such as advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate links. By diversifying your income streams, you ensure that your blog can continue to generate revenue. The immediacy of smartphone blogging means you can react quickly to trends or breaking news. Cashback apps are another fantastic way to make money with your smartphone. By linking your credit or debit cards to apps like Rakuten or Honey, you can earn back a percentage of every purchase you make. This method is incredibly simple and integrates seamlessly into your regular shopping habits. The beauty of cashback apps is that they reward you for purchases you are going to make anyway. Over time, these savings can add up to a significant amount. Many cashback apps also offer sign-up bonuses and referral incentives. Your routine purchases automatically earn you money back, making it one of the easiest ways to generate passive income through your smartphone.